Government has now declared a state of natural disaster, but this will only apply to those areas badly affected by the floods over the last 3 days. The announcement was made today by the Permanent Secretary for Regional Development, Lieutenant Colonel Inya Serui Ratu.
This is a state of natural disaster. It only applies to parts of the Western Division, those worst affected by flooding. As you know, government leaders and emergency services have been assessing whether to make this call since yesterday.
The state of natural disaster will be for a period of 30 days, starting today, and will be subject to review depending on the weather situation over the next few days.
This will be reviewed every now and then. It can be earlier. It does not mean that it will take the entire 30 days. It's reviewed constantly.